Hi, this is Mark with an update for the Euro USD, and the last 3 or 4 weeks we've had some great entries shorting at 1740 for technical and fundamental reasons. Great thing about this trade has been that the stop only needed to be the other side of the EMAs, and we were looking for potential gains down here of anywhere from 130 to even possibly 180 pips. Now this week, because I've had a few trades of late that didn't quite hit my entry point, I entered a bit more conservatively. I think it was 1720 and placed the stop up here, so 30 odd pips away. This has just at the moment missed my stop, but hopefully this will continue, and my target rather is 110, so 3 times the risk from a pre-planned trade that I shared with you on Sunday in my analysis. Again, catch you later. Hi, just an update. I've been out and just got back. My target was 1605 and thankfully it's got hit. So we made, I think it was 115 pips from this as outlined in my analysis on the Sunday, and we covered it again in the live training session on Tuesday. So risking 20-30 pips for 3 times to 4 times the reward. That's the way to trade. All done from analysis on a Sunday. Catch you later.